I need everyone to listen, please. You were in the room, and you were in the room, and I walked this way, and there was... I turned around, Criken jump scared me.
Okay, Jolly.
No one's listening.
I'm listening.
Okay.
Listen, buddy.
He-
listening.
He's...
Looking directly at you.
Okay, alright, okay, it's my birthday, everyone quiet. So,
Happy birthday.
so by the way, can I just say... No, this is... No, we have 47 seconds. There's only 40 seconds. This, thank you. Yay. Okay, thank you. Hey, I gotta make my wish. I gotta make my wish. Okay.
Man, that's a real button.
No, I gotta make a
What were you
wish.
saying, Jerma?
So my wish is, Criken followed me, and he was behind me.
Happy
No, stop singing. No, stop talking. Stop it. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Oh my underwear just come down. I think my underwear just fell off. Okay, listen. I think my underwear came down. Listen.
I got nothing.
Stop.